So let's read verse 3. Vakshamaner vibhavadye swadyatam madhurarati nita bhakti rasa prokto madhurakyo manishibi. It's actually very, very beautiful flow of syllables and language. It's so nice. This is a book of philosophy. But Rupa Goswami, these great 6 Goswamis, they're writing Tattva and Siddhanta. But it's so poetic and so beautiful. And all perfect compositions. And they didn't have, delete and, erase and start again. They took some metal stylus and etched it onto palm leaves. They did all the editing in their brain, not online or on the screen. And then once done, done forever. Once done, done right, and done right forever. That's how they wrote. And modern conditioned souls who write, and they go to some school to learn writing, that they'll teach you, they say, what is the art of writing? Write, rewrite, and rewrite. Write it, and then look at it, and then edit it, and then rewrite it, and then look at it, and edit it, and rewrite it. In other words, keep trying until you get something. But they were perfect with just the first try. They didn't have any, didn't have to write it again. So it's very nice to appreciate all what's going into what we're receiving. What is the background and we're down here collecting the water from the river, but where does it start? We're way far away from the mountain and from the Nadi Mukh, the mouth of the river, Gangotri, Jamunotri, and we're drinking the pure Yamuna water. So far from the source. We thought, this water is very nice. But do we ever think about the source? And remember that. So Rupa Goswami, what gems he's giving us. So now he's starting to unfold about Madhura Ras. He says, when Madhura Rati becomes tasty with the presence of Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattvic Bhav, and Sanchari Bhavs, there be different kinds of emotions and feelings all mixed together. Like sometimes we may be happy, we're happy with our husband, but then that happiness, we're happy, but then sometimes we get angry at the same moment. The Sthai Rati is, I'm the wife, he's the husband. So I'm happy, but then I become unhappy, I become angry. So many moods mixed together. So he's saying these will be described subsequently. And all these together is called Bhakti Ras. So Jiva Goswami's commentary. In his commentary, he actually gives us an outline of these 5 components which makes Bhakti Ras. Bhakti Ras, we can also say, it makes up Madhurya Ras. In other words, the taste of bhakti, the taste of love, the taste of devotion in the conjugal relationship of Radha and Krishna is called Madhurya Rati. That's the relationship, is the Rati means the love, the attachment. And what's experienced, what you taste in that Rati, that Sthayi Rati, is the Ras. Rati means Sthayi means stan, place, lilastan. Permanent, fixed, unsteady foundation of emotion. It's like the ocean of emotion. The ocean is fixed in one place, but sometimes it increases it rises very high in the shore, and increases its volume, apparently coming very high on the beach, and sometimes there's big waves in the ocean. So these are just various changes of the ocean. So that's the same way in the ocean of Sthayi Bhav, there's different moods and different feelings, and rising and falling and mixing and combining and expanding and creating different expressions and voluntary reactions and involuntary reactions. Like you may feel so happy with your relationship with Krishna, so then a voluntary bhav will be to yell out, "Hey Radhe Krishna!" So that was conscious and voluntary. That yelling out, "Radhe, Jai Radhe." Because of the overwhelming experience of the bliss you're experiencing in your actual... I mean, I'm not saying about some madman or something. But I'm talking about a Bhava Bhakta or a Premi Bhakta. He may yell or shout in ecstasy. Lokabhaya, not care. Lokabhaya nevichar, not care about the opinion of the outside people.